Hello Slimy Fertilers, and today I'm going to be doing a little bit of retro gaming again. This time round, as per the title, I'm going to be having a go at Jetpac from 1983. So I'm using Fuse, which is the Spectrum emulator, probably the best Spectrum emulator I've found. I'm running it in Spectrum 48K mode, and I'm not doing any of this shit where you load it from what's an ersatz tape file, which mimics the loading thing. I am going to doop. There we go. I'm going to do it like this, which just immediately loads a game. Here we are. We have Jetpac, and the story behind this is that you're some sort of astronaut spaceman thing. Your spaceship has crashed, and you need to put it back together and then fuel it up, and then you can escape the planet that you're on. Because you're on an alien planet, you're attacked by hordes of aliens, so you have like a little laser beam to defend yourself with, and that's it basically. You kill aliens, you get points, you rebuild your spaceship, you fuel it up, you move on. The game is made by, was made by Ultimate Play the Game, who over the years eventually morphed into Rare, makers of such games as I don't know, I can't remember any off the top of my head. There's that many fucking games out there. I'm sure you can wiki it. So here we go. We just whack the old enter key, and this is your beginning kind of splash screen, so you can choose one or two players, and keyboard or Kempston joystick. I'm not fucking about with trying to set up a joystick. It doesn't really need it. I actually played this game on the Commodore VIC-20. I had a Commodore VIC-20 many moons ago. This was one of my favourite games on it, where I did actually use a joystick. It was one of those, it was a quick shot, and the quick shot joystick eventually died from overuse. So yeah, press number 5 to start the game. So here we go. It's the planet. There's the piece of the spaceship. There's my guy. So oh shit. Right, I'm just figuring out the controls. Z and X are the. Oh shit! I died. Yeah, Z and X are left and right. As you can see, left, right, and A is to fire the laser beam. So I'm going to assume. Yeah, there we go. I'm going to assume that. What? Oh, fuck off. Right, yeah, so oh shit. Whoops. Eat laser. Eat laser aliens. And yep, you can go off one side of the screen and come back on the other, which is alright. So just drop that down there. Pew 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 pew. Yep, this is everything that I remember. I used to actually sort of cheat when I had this on VIC-20 because the quickshot joystick had an auto fire function on it. And this meant I didn't have to worry too much about shooting. I could just move my guy about, and as long as I was facing the right direction. Oh, we've got some bonus items here that I can pick up. Increase my score. That's a fuel can, so up we go. Drop the fuel can. Oh, a diamond. Oh, another bonus item there. Come on, where's some more fuel? I want more fuel, not diamonds. There we go. Oh, no, that's the wrong button. Oh. There we go. Oh, come on, drop it. There you go. Oh, gold. Oh, something there. I don't know what that was. These aliens seem to be on the planet of the bogies, because these aliens sort of look a bit like bogies, especially the green ones. And the red ones. Because if you ever had a bogie that, after you've had a nosebleed or something, you get red bogies. Purple bogies as well. I'm not quite sure what. If you have purple bogies, I would probably see a doctor. Alright, so there we go. Fuel away. I'm not going to go. Let's see if I can go down and get that diamond. Always a good idea to keep your laser beam going. Oh shit! That better not be my last life. No. Oh. Okay, so my ship's now fully fueled, so I presume all I need to do is touch it. Yes! We have blast off. Oh, and we're landing somewhere else. Well, it looks exactly the same. Okay, so I've rebuilt my spaceship. Oh, there's some sort of jelly bean. What the fuck are they? help if I could remember which my shoot and which my jetpack button is. Oh, diamond. No. Oh, fuel can. Oh god, down there is just one big fucking no-go zone. Oh, more fuel. Oh, fucking skin of my teeth on that one. Oh shit. Game over, player 1. So my high score was 6,035. I'm going to have another go at that now that I've got into the swing of things. I'm going to have a little swig of beer. Just got the desktop audio down there. So yeah, it's So yeah, this is a fun little game. It's like most games of the time, it's one of them where you really have to develop your skill. Oops, my laser's not firing because I'm not holding down the button. Pick that piece up. There we go. There's my spaceship. Maybe I get a higher score if I. Oh, diamond. I don't know what it is. It's a giant fucking space jelly bean. That's what it is. It's a space jelly bean. Right, let's try going down and killing some aliens off because I would like a higher score. I mean, I don't know how much it. Fuel can. There we go. I don't know what that is. It's a no. A pearl necklace. I don't know. Got to be careful when you pick up fuel cans from the sides of the screen because obviously something can sneak in and laser. Oh, wrong one. Oh, at least I grabbed that fuel can. Oh, gold! I got some gold. Oh, keep mixing the shoot and jetpack button up. Can't drop it. It's like a space. Reminds me of a Space Raider crisp. Anybody who, you know, lived in the well, you can still get Space Raiders. Very nice as well. They are. Oh shit! Fuck that one up big time. Right. Oh, nearly fucked up again there. Over the top. Drop the fuel can. And run straight into a fucking alien. But my spaceship's ready, so off I go. Oh, I get an extra life for that. I have absolutely no idea what these aliens are. They sort of look like fluffy things with glasses on. The planet of the blind, or myopic fuzzballs, that's what I'm calling this one. I am a space explorer, therefore I can name planets that I find. Laser. Diamond is mine! Yay! Oh, another diamond. Oh, fuel can. Ah, come on! Drop that there, mind you, go this way. Ah ha ha ha! Yes, going off one side of the screen and coming back on the other is a viable tactic. It's not cheating. It's in the game, so I can do it. Oh, 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 oh. Have we got full fuel on the spaceship? We have. No, it's just a case of get to the spaceship before you get killed! I've already beat my high score. Oh, grab that gold. Jump over these cunts. And away we go! The planet of the balls. Planet of the balls that seem to bounce in random fucking directions. Yeah, it's like that episode of Futurama where they attack the planet of the ball people, and oh fuck, the balls are coming for me. The computer is having a very hard time controlling its balls. No, wrong button. Oh, well. Oh, fuck off. I'll just beat my high score anyway. So yes, Jetpac. It's a fucking good game. It's you know, it's hard. I mean, I've only done we got 3 levels there, and I've only done 2 of them. So, but it really doesn't surprise me that games like this are coming back. You know, people want to play stuff like this because they're nice, simple, cheap games, and you know, they're addictive. You know, getting that next high score, getting to that next level. You know, but as far as I know, this game just carries on and on, and it just gets faster and faster the further you get into it. I mean, it's like I say, I've not done terribly well there. You know, I've got to level 3, but only completed the first 2 levels. But you know, I'm sure if I gave it a bit more time than what I'm giving it here, I can get a lot further. Can you actually remap the controls? I'm just trying to... No, you can't. So you're stuck with the ZX for left and right, A to fire your laser gun, and Q to activate your jetpack. Yep, nice game, and you know, I'll pop it out occasionally for a play. So yeah, thanks for watching this one. Bit short, but nah, and I'll see you next video.